Alex Ruhunda ubiranagama ko mjonyi mukuru ahamkorwa kuja kuziciro cha cooperative zo mu district ya Kasese aje muyiro bushomankuzi obukanyiro mu ihanga.
And that becomes a crisis for the country. But never, me Ruhunda, never. I say that I can never get that money, and I will never get it because I have to work. I have to work.
Okwezi kwire abanyishengero bashatu bakakwatwa kandi batuye ko nyuma y'emte himbwa abo kugira ngo bakaryangatanisa sente z'ebigombe by'abeterine. Aba barama wigera East Michael Mawanda wa Elgon County mudimi wa Makuyu hamwe no wa Busiku County Paulo Akamba.
That's never been unheard of since independence to get MPs incarcerated in Luzira over cooperative money. Why? Because people have chosen the corrupt path.
Konka wo mugume Johnny orukoranga cha person wa bakamasho officers omuchanga cha Rwenzori nagira ngo za cooperative zezi ebizibe bizuru kubugana nibinji.
The other day the Karugut Sacco we struggled to tell members to increase their shareholding because Bank of Uganda wants to come in. Karugut Sacco has gone up now. We have 3 branches as we talk. Karugut Sacco has a branch itself in Karugutu and 2 in Muduwicho, and they are coming to Kabaroli to open another one. Very soon we shall fly to Chegeko.
So what kills a black person is the lack of understanding that for you to be successful, you must have love and passion for rules and regulations.
Gasha kwa Julian Singwiri.